Ang ganda ng assist ni Iman Calo dito mga idol. At Spider-Man Arwin Santos napakita din na maibubuga pa siya para sa team ng Basilan. Pero veteran Marlon Basco may touches pa rin sa labas para sa team ng Marikina. Kayanin kaya ng Marikina ang Basilan mga idol. Kaya tara ating panoorin ang kanang full game highlights hanggang dulo. Basilan Star Horse versus Marikina Sioux Masters. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
Another division. The first few possessions will be very important para sa kanila.
Alvarez inside, off the feed for Concepcion.
Sherwin is too unselfish with the basketball that he passes up on shots that he's supposed to take already.
Only the first basket of
Pressure into it.
Hindi ko ma-imagine yan.
Pauwi na lang kayo, yun pa rin yung pinapag-usapan nyo eh.
I like this guy. I like how he plays. Jay Utuk gets it to Escoto, sees a gap. A runner from Jethro Escoto.
At that, they know that they must be better setting up rather than trying to force it in transition. But that guy will not see a shot that he does. Go there. Are we gonna go there that early?
Oh, maaga pa to. Parang tiwala yan ni Bosmani.
His former Wardas had here in this league.
He was part of that original Parañaque team, first season ng Liga. Adi Santos showing us the stroke.
Unit showing more offensive firepower compared to the starting 5 here for Basilan. But Marikina has done a wonderful job of setting the tone here. They have controlled the... This is what happens.
We get the steal here. Lorenzo Navarro for 3. Got it.
Ayaw nilang hihirapan sila makisabay.
Here's Utok. That's a tough shot. Enrile with the offensive rebound, and he puts it in. Now has to go back to defend Arwin Santos, who lays it in easy too para kay Arwin.
Impressive defensive instincts.
Calo nagmamadali. Oh, nice extra pass to Pastoran. No, who backs in the 3? And umaabot ka na dun ha. Kinakabahan ako. Basta luxury na eh. But what a luxury though for Basilan.
Oh yeah.
In particular, Arwin, wala ka nang kailangan patunayan.
Wala na.
For in basketball in this country, what a time for Basilan to probably play at their peak at the moment. Look at that, Jimboy Pastoran knew it was going in.
The state of the teams in their first half of the season, because it is at this point kung saan makikita mo talaga yung totoo. I'm sure.
Is this experiment gonna fail?
Yeah, I'm sure even management had their doubts. I'm sure ownership had their thoughts of
who is this guy?
Disbanding the Dios and Dios, but just the way that they have conducted themselves in each and every matchup toward this point.
Mr. Suave Deo Temajo scores. Adi nag-cut si Jervy Cruz, but Adi Santos takes care of business.
Kaya Alex told him.
Ganda rin ng actually ganda rin ang kondisyon ni Eman Calo. It's not just this past couple of months.
Because I also, in my opinion, he's been forced to carry a lot more responsibility than what he was expecting.
Babalik na sa laro. Gab Dagangon is expected to check in. Navarro will try again. 14 puntos na.
Despite the hot shooting, Marikina has still managed to stay within manageable distance here.
Zealand will reset here. 3 minutes remaining. Navarro to Jervy Cruz. Threading the needle there. Attacks middle. Umatras muna, bumalik, and he gets the roll on the one-hander. Oson gets it back. Oson, kulang sa pektus. Cruz, no good. Alvarez to Gab Dagangon. That's a 3 for Gab. Lista mo na yan.
If you're Marikina,
How Gab able to get it across. Escoto with a steal, and that will do it. Casajeros to Yutok. Well defended by Eman Calo.
Could have gotten away with the travel.
Ahead to Concepcion. Sherwin finds Pastoran. Pastoran with a left-handed scoop.
Jimboy was able to bail out.
Ito naman mukhang mabait eh.
Sorry.
Diba?
Oo nga pala. Oo nga naman.
Pastoran from the corner. He gets the roll. Having himself 4 for 4. He'll try again. He stays perfect. With the 4 assists. Ang Basilan. Ni Jimboy Pastoran. Yutok for 3. He continues to torch.
For Marikina, and that's what was missing for the Shoemasters in the first 2 quarters. This guy, at kanina pa ito, hinihintay ni Coach Rich.
Sakto-sakto, di mo ginabitan ng board. Calo from the corner, attacks the closeout, gets it to Concepcion. Same spot, same result. Sherwin Concepcion.
Talaga maging puhunan mo eh. Because experience-wise, obviously, you already trumped. Talent-wise, that's...
As transition into coaching. But Marlon Bugnatan, Marky,
Oh yeah,
Alex
Mark Pingris.
Mark Pingris, Alex Cabagnot, Arwin Santos.
It's still playing better than most young players.
Casajeros uses the go pick. Oh, he banks in the 3. It's down to 16. Lamang dito ng Basilan.
They need to be better for Marikina here.
Minute and a half to play in the 3rd. Pastoran has not rested here the second half. And Jerby Cruz knocks that one home. Pastoran continues to stay hot. Pastoran ahead to Jerby. The extra pass. Alvarez muffs the layup. Casajeros has time and
still organize the offense.
Casajeros back out to Basco. Kuya Marlon for 3.
Well, if you talk about
Arrogant, he stays humble. Alvarez misses on the dunk. Jerby Cruz with a stick back.
I'm sure Michael Alvarez is very good. You can see the synergy between the two of them right now, especially in this game. It's been solid for Basilan.
Wow. Buti na lang pumasok. I thought he was passing up an open shot.
Points.
And Jimboy Pastoran saves the day. Timaho. Okay na ba yun? Okay na. Okay na. Okay na.
Okay na.